Welcome back to Project Lead the Way Design and Modeling. The last couple of weeks we have reviewed measuring systems. We looked at both the US customer and the metric system. We practiced measuring in both. The students could then choose whatever measurement system they would like to use, and we started a skimmer design challenge. So students have started sketching out what a skimmer is. A skimmer is just a simple paper product that we're using recycled material to use that actually just skims across the ground using a rubber band and a brad fastener. So you can look at their progress on their Shobi. At the end of every class, we're taking a picture of what we've gotten to. Some students have already started cutting out. We will start assembling our skim erasers next class and then probably launching them on Thursday and Friday. So those videos and those pictures will be coming soon. It's pretty interesting, pretty exciting build. Every skimmer should start out exactly the same, and then the students have the opportunity to modify, change, adapt, whatever they think might improve their skim eraser, and then they'll test it. So that's a little quick update on what we're working on in Project Lead the Way Design and Modeling, and we'll talk to you real soon.